can, if the customer desires, be a one-stop shop. We will manufacture the tooling. We do that all in-house with our own die makers. We'll make the parts, we'll have it heat-treated, plated, even add machining if that's required. So when the customer receives a part, it is truly turnkey. They get a completed part, including some assemblies. I'm Don Schlofeld, president of Pacific Metal Stampings. We're a short-run to medium production house located in Valencia, California. Unlike a sheet metal shop that does mostly squared parts, we make a lot of parts that require significant forming operations. We do flat parts also, but our specialty is forming parts like this, to start with sheet metal, bend it up, form it around without any wrinkles. That's where we excel in the short run business. When we bend this part, it's all done cold forming, no welding. There's no wrinkles on the sides, and that's a difficult process. Most parts like this was where ashtrays used to go on airline seats. They'd be split, folded, welded, and then they grind the weld off. The welding and grinding costs more than we charge for the entire part. So this is our claim to fame. We work with stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum. Stainless and aluminum are probably our most popular flavors. We go from as small as 1/4 of an inch square up to about 14 by 18 inch square. 250 pieces up to about 30,000 pieces per order. We do some draws. We don't consider ourselves a deep draw shop, but we do a lot of draws. We do some assembly work, in this case molded rubber to metal, and we also work with some high production house, West Coast Stampings. When the quantities exceed what we can comfortably do for the customer, we send them on to West Coast, who is probably the best in California in what they do. We assist the customer in eliminating problem areas. If the customer designs a part and the holes are too close to the edge and it's going to be problematic, we'll point that out in advance. We have many customers that send us blueprints in advance before they're finalized, asking the question, what's wrong, what's driving the cost? And we've been able to save them up to 50% of their cost just by them making simple changes to their design. We've made everything from dog bones for a dog dish, parts for the space shuttle. We've done a lot of medical, a great deal of aerospace, automotive. Recently we've gotten into agriculture, conveyor belts used in agriculture. We have worked Kanban systems out for many of our customers where they'll place a large order, we will run them, keep them in our facility, and ship them over a period of time. Typically it takes about 24 hours for us to turn a quote around. We encourage customers to allow us to assist them in getting the cost out of the part.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.